How to make others like you. How to make others like you is an excellent video lesson for you to learn visually and master the art of influencing other people around you to like and admire you. After watching this video, if you follow these tips, you'll have a magnetic influence on the people near and around you. They will start to gravitate towards you naturally. Doesn't that sound interesting? I'm sure it does. One of the students from Dubai commented that the videos of itv-life skills are very informative and very good learning tools for him. He requested, why not publish some content for personal development and personality development? Another working executive from Jubail requested to publish a video on emotional intelligence. Thanks to both of them for their keen interest to develop themselves. For sure, we'll come out with many more interesting videos for all of you. Anyway, today, you're going to learn the art of how to make other people like you. Doesn't that sound interesting? It sure does. You become what you truly deserve to be. If you want to become a great scholar, you can. If you want to become a great scientist, you certainly can. If you want to become a great millionaire, you most certainly can. It's all in your mindset. By tuning your mindset, you turn your life into a great success story. Have you ever wondered why only some people are highly successful and many are unsuccessful in their life? Is it because they have something special which others don't have? Or is it their good luck? Or is it their hard work? Is it their smart work? Or is it their charisma? Could it be their leadership qualities? What makes them so special? What is it they have that makes others like them so much? Well, whatever it may be, everyone wants that. Am I right? When we come across certain people, we get attracted towards them. We feel like liking them, loving them, respecting them, and admiring them. But why do we feel like this towards certain people? Well, they have something special for sure. What are those special qualities that add value to them? Let's analyze those qualities and imbibe it in us so that we can also become star performers in our life. Let's scrutinize what the special qualities and traits are so that we can adapt these qualities that will make others like and love us too. What makes Michael Jordan, Usain Bolt, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi so special? What are their special qualities? Let's discuss all the supreme qualities of all the superheroes of great success. Follow me. It's what's on the inside that matters for a balloon. Sarah and Diana were two friends living in a town. Sarah, a cute 7-year-old girl, asked Diana, "Look at me. Don't I look pretty in my new white dress with shining pearls?" "No, my yellow dress is the best," Diana replied sharply and looked down at her own dress. They were arguing, and a sort of quarrel about the supremacy of the color of their dress broke out. At that time, a man, a balloon vendor, came there to sell balloons. He had a wide variety of colors of balloons, including white, red, yellow, blue, and green. To attract the attention of the children and to boost the sales of balloon, he would release a helium-filled balloon into the air, and when the children saw it go up, they all would want to buy one. they would come up to him, buy a balloon, and his sales would go up again. He continued this process all day. Sarah came up to him and asked innocently, "If you release a black balloon, would that black balloon also fly high?" Moved by her innocent question, the balloon vendor replied politely, "My dear little girl, it's not the color of the balloon. It is what is inside it that makes it go up. Whether the color is black, blue, red, green, or white, it really doesn't matter. What's important is the gas inside." The same thing applies to our life too, don't you think? It's what's on the inside that counts. The thing inside of us that makes us go up is our attitude. A Harvard University study reports that when a person gets a job, 85% of the time it is because of his attitude, and only 15% of the time because of how smart he is and his general knowledge. So, that is the importance of attitude for a person. If you develop yourself to tune your attitude by following these 10 important tips, surely you can succeed in life. Now, what are these 10 tips? Well, follow me carefully. The winning principles of the winner. Number 1. Always be simple and humble in your approach. Simplicity and humility win the hearts of others more than vanity and pride. Remaining simple and humble costs absolutely nothing, but creates so much more for you. Number 2. Have a smiling face when dealing with others. It gives a beaming look for you and increases your face value. A smile always comes free of cost, but does great wonders. It enriches those who receive it without impoverishing you in any way. Number 3. Be courteous to others. Begin with praise and honest appreciation of the person you meet. Praise always satisfies the ego of any human being on this earth, and in return, it creates a cordial atmosphere. Number 4. Be a good listener and be patient listening to the people you meet. Good listening gives the impression that you are a mature intellectual who can understand the problems of others. Number 5. Never criticize a person with a negative approach of scoring over him. Such approach will always backfire upon you. Call attention to others' mistakes positively and softly. Number 6. Always put your requirements to others in the form of a request, and not a direct order, demand, or command. Number 7. Praise the slightest improvement made by anyone, and praise every improvement. Be generous in your praise of others. Number 8. Show respect for others' opinions, and always talk in terms of the other person's interests and perspective. This approach will bring positive and desired results. Number 9. Use encouragement and motivation. Make the faults of others seem easy to correct. And finally, number 10. Don't argue. Criticism and arguments can never win people to your side. Argument brings only resentment and confrontation. You may win the argument, but may lose a good friend. Is it really worth it? Isn't it such a wonderful thing to turn ourselves into a lovable personality who is liked, loved, and respected by everyone around us? How nice would that be? It would really be such a marvelous feeling, wouldn't it? Well, why don't we have a quick recap of what we've discussed so far? These are the 10 traits that make others like you. Number 1, always be simple and humble in your approach. Number 2, have a smiling face. Number 3, be courteous to others. Number 4, be a good listener. Number 5, never criticize anyone with a negative approach to score over them. Number 6, don't demand and command. Make a request instead. Number 7, praise others. Number 8, show respect for others' opinions. Number 9, use encouragement and motivation. And number 10, don't argue. I positively hope this video may have a good and uplifting impact on you. You might have learned at least a few valuable tips from this video lesson. I also hope this video is a turning point in your life to start thinking afresh. Let there be a new you. Let there be great prosperity in your life from today onwards. Let there be more happiness and more success in your life from today. Please comment below how you felt about this video. Your support is our motivation. If you like this video, please make sure to press the like button and share it for the benefit of others. Also, if you want to have a video on any topic of your special interest, feel free to write it in the comment box. We will produce and publish a video of your choice and interest. Here are a few questions for you. Number 1. Do you think there are any other qualities that could make people admire you? Number 2. Who is the role model who inspires you? Please put your valuable comments, feedback, suggestions, or opinions below in the comment section. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. God bless you and see you in the next video. These excerpts are taken from Dr. Kapir Muhammad's The Secret of Success for You. Dr. Kapir Muhammad is an educational technologist, motivational speaker and author, and business strategist who speaks and writes on education, employment, economy, personality development, and business strategy. itv-Life Skills for You is an effective visual learning channel producing excellent video lessons on various vivid topics for your personal and professional prosperity. Stay tuned to itv-Life Skills channel to learn about language proficiency, communication skills, leadership skills, business management, employment opportunities, business ideas, world and current affairs, general knowledge, science and technology, how to make money, how to become rich, and what not. itv-Life Skills is a knowledge and skills hub for you to learn every skill on earth at one stop here. Don't forget to subscribe to itv-Life Skills channel to get our regular video lessons and other interesting content.